Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. I am Pilar.
And I am Fito.
And today we're gonna prepare a Mexican breakfast dish called Enfrijioladas.
Enfrijioladas are very easy to make. All you need is beans and tortillas. We're gonna smash our beans. And we want this to be real smooth. And we're gonna take one tortilla. We're gonna heat that tortilla until it's soft.
And it's really important that you take into consideration that you have to have a very hot skillet to heat your tortillas, because that's one of the secrets of the enfrijoladas. If your tortilla is not heated well enough, it's gonna break whenever you put it in your beans. So try to keep a hot skillet ready when you're gonna start preparing your enfrijoladas.
Well, this one is ready. We're gonna use one that we have right here. We're gonna dip the tortilla. Then we're gonna fold it. And here we are. This is our first enfrijolada right here.
Usually a dish like this would take, or an order of enfrijoladas would be 3 enfrijoladas in your plate. So if you have, if you're preparing this breakfast for your family, just think ahead that you may have like 2 or 3 tortillas. If you have small kids, maybe 2 tortillas. If you're talking about a grown-up, you can do 3 tortillas per serving. And we have our second one.
Well, this one is about right. And we'll just dip this one.
And right now we're preparing it with black beans, but again, you can use any type of bean that you prefer or that you have available in your household. And we have our third one. You can do more beans if you like on the top. And we usually garnish it with Mexican fresh salsa. If you want to know how to prepare the salsa, you can check our videos. We have a video just showing how to prepare the Mexican salsa. So you can put your salsa on top of your enfrijoladas. And this is gonna give it a very nice look and taste.
Look at all that color. It's full of vitamins. You're getting iron, you're getting fiber, and an amazing taste. You're gonna enjoy your day because you're gonna leave your house very happy if you have enfrijoladas. You can get tortillas at any supermarket. There is usually a section where you find Mexican products and you can buy your tortillas there.
And this is how the final result ends. It's your enfrijoladas with your salsa and your avocado. If you want to get a little bit more creative and you have some plant-based cheese, strained cheese, you can also put some cheese on top of it. So we hope you enjoyed this recipe.